Hello everyone, Georgia Bassmasters here, coming at you today. Gonna give y'all a video of this wind. Got a couple different clips for you. The first day we went out, was fishing, and the fishing was doing all right, and then the wind got crazy, and it was dangerous. Very, very dangerous wind. The waves were white capping. You know, the John boat's this far off the water, and the waves were 2-foot swells. So that can be very dangerous, can flip you. You know, the water temperature is 45 degrees. It's 50 foot deep out there in the middle of the lake. You don't want to get flipped. So we pretty much just jetted out, and I came back the next day with my father-in-law, and those are the second clips. I'll go ahead and show y'all a small clip of this wind, how crazy it got. Yeah, so that's pretty crazy, pretty scary. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure you do that. A lot of you guys watch my videos but are not subscribed. I have some giveaways coming in, some cool content for my subscribers coming in, so make sure you're subscribed. And we'll see you guys at the end of the video. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the first clip is me and my dad fishing out before the wind got crazy, and then the second clip is the following day I went fishing with my father-in-law, and he hasn't even been fishing, I don't think, in 10 years. So that was his first fish he had caught in about 10 years. So we'll see you guys at the end.
I figured you'd get one on the end of that tree right there. It's usually a good spot. No, it wasn't. It was on a different bait, but I just switched. Crankbait. Like second. Little chunk. Get something if they keep coming after it.
There's another one. Yeah, right on.
You gotta be bigger. You sure about that? Is that a catfish? What is that?
I don't know. He hit as soon as it hit, but I don't think.
That's a bass. Sure was fighting weird. Spot. No, no. Largy, I think. Hey, you might want to fish this bait nice and slow, even though it's windy as all get out. They own it. Because, I mean, I had a big one to hit, and you just caught two back to back. Might be some monsters down here. It's a little scary. It is rough out here. Way too scary. Dang! You got a fish, or I think you do.
Thought I felt something.
You got a good one.
I got a good one.
I put you on one with the chartreuse pepper worm. He's good.
He's a good one.
He's a good one. They ain't got no motors on, so you can play them out over here or bring them on that side of the boat.
Oh, you just a spot.
Hey, you didn't get but 2 casts in and got a fish.
I know it.
You can't complain about that.
Man, you got me complaining. It's a fish. I don't believe in that.
I have to send that one to Felicia. Say, Gary ain't got but 2 casts.
I thought I felt him.
I was like, I'm pretty sure you got a fish.
Look at that.
Take a picture of him.
She's going.
All right. I'll send it.
Man, it's been a while since I've done a man.
Well,
Good little rig there, Marshall.
I told you that chartreuse pepper worked. Catch another one on it, I'm switching.
What do you do? Wear your camera on your pad or something?
Changed baits and got one. 3-4 casts in. Man, that thing's got a chunk missing out of his back. You see that? Something done. Looked like it's infected or something. I mean, I've very rarely come out here and not caught anything. I mean, it's a good enough lake where you usually catch 1 or 2, but it ain't always catching big ones. Finally got one. The water temperature went up 1 degree, so
2.5 pounds.
yeah. Yellow eyes. See a big one?
Feels like a spot.
Oh, there you got one.
It's a fish, man. Boy, these spots are tough, ain't they?
Yeah, they are.
You might have swallowed the darn thing. You had it somewhere.
Oh yeah, spotted bass.
Fish number 2.
He's got something wrong on the side of him too. Look on the other side. What is that?
Oh. Look at him, little chunker. He sure does. He's a little chunker.
There you go. 2 and 2.
Thank you, Lord.
All right, guys, thank you so much if you stuck around to the end of the video. Got some cool content coming up. I know where some big bass are bedding. I've just been waiting on the right time to go out there and catch them. I got a new lure. I've been wanting to use this new lure on these fish. So hopefully on the next video, you guys will see me catch a Mondo. Until next time, peace. See you guys later.